सो आज जो हम टॉपिक करने जा रहे हैं वो है मीडियन। आई एम सॉरी फॉर द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़ क्योंकि मैं इस वीडियो को दिन में बना रही हूँ, बट आई ट्राई टू जस्ट गिव यू द आइडिया एंड आई होप स्क्रीन से आप समझ पाओगे व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ मीडियन दो है, ए एल बाउली की एक डेफिनेशन है एंड सेकेंड इज़ डब्ल्यू ए नोइज़वेंगर की डेफिनेशन। सो द फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन सेज if the number of the group are ranked in the order according to the measurement under consideration, then the measurement of the number most nearly one half in the median. Now the second definition is W.A. Newsbanger ki. He said that median is a positional values which is influenced by the number rather than the size of the extreme variations. Now we will look at it in the simple series. Now in simple series the formula for finding first the n is median is the n plus 1 by 2, or if it is a even number then 1 by 2 bracket में n by 2 of the x plus n by 2 plus 1 of the x. So in case of odd number you can use n plus 1 by 2, which is very simple formula. In case of even number you use this formula. Now here the series is given which is about the x, which is the simple series, and the value in the x is 50, 60, 85, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 130, 150 and 160. Here the n is the number of these total values. So these in numbers are 11 and hence you have taken n as 11. Now here 11 is an odd number and then hence the formula here is n plus 1 by 2. ME here is 11 plus 1 by 2, which makes it 6th in the x series. Now here you have to find that 6th in the x series, and if you put it then 110 in the 6th is the 6th of the x series, which is the ME. That's the correct answer. Now we'll look at another table, another question which is about which is from this value. So x is given as 30, 20, 35, 42, 48, 24, 36, 28, 33 and 38. So you have to arrange them in ascending order and I'll arrange them first. So here the x value is 20, now 24, then there is 28, then there is 30, then there is 33, then there is 35, then there is 36, then there is 38, then comes to 40's line, then there is 42 and there is 48. In total these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 is an even number. Right? Now so if I'll remove this then I think it will all go. Yeah, so here what will you do is basically when you will arrange them in ascending order, I think so the even formula is this 10 plus 1 by 2 and n plus n by 2 of the x and n plus 1 by 2 of the x, and here it will say about the 5th and the 6th number. In the if you're making this series in the ascending order, which will make it like this, again I'm doing it. It's 20, 24, 28, 30, 33, 35, 36, 38, 42, 48. Okay, now 5th and the 6th, right? That's what they find out. Now here the 5th will be this and 6th will be this. Now 33 is the 5th and 36 is the 6th, right? So again 33 and 30, 33 and wait a minute, I think 33 and 35 should be 20. $35 and 36. Yeah. So 35 and 36 would mean that. So 33 and 36. If you add both of these, it will become 68. So here 1 by 2 into 68, that will be 34. ME will be 34. This is from the even number. Now coming to the discrete series. Of course, in discrete, your ME will be n plus 1 by 2. Here X series is given, F series is given. You have to find out about CF. How will you calculate CF? Here first digit will come as it is from the F, which is the frequency. Now cumulative frequency would be an addition to the second frequency, which is when you let 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now if you let 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, then if you let 10 plus 12, that will become 22. 22 and 12, that will be 34. 34 plus 8, that is 42. 42 plus 5, that is 47. 47 plus 4, 51, and 51 plus 3 is 54, and that is your n. Now here you will use the formula of even, which is 1 by 2 bracket mein n plus 1 by 2, which is n plus 1 by 2 of x, and here you will do this n, put the value 27 and 28 of dx, 27th of dx and 28 of dx, that will be, now 27 and 28 will fall into this 34 ka bracket, because this is higher than 22, lower than 34. So here this 28 and 27 and 28 will fall here. Now 27 and 28, that will be in the 34th, right? In CF you will look at it. Now in CF you will find out that in CF you will find out that in 34, that is of the X series 14. So here 14 will be taken at the place of 27 and 24, because that you need to find 27 and 28 in the X. So 27 and 28 both will be fall into the 14th of X, right? Here 1 by 2 upon 14 plus 14, that is X value. It is also X value of 27th and 28th. Here 14 plus 14 will be 28, and it will be divided by 2, that will become 14. So your 14 will be your median. This is in the discrete series. Now another of the discrete series question is this, where the X value is given like this and F value is given like this, 140, 144. Now you have to arrange them in the ascending and descending order. What is the series? 140, 144, 160, 135, 155, 170, 172, 165 and 174. F value are 6, 8, 12, 4, 16, 8, 6, 10 and 3. Now the one thing you have to remember is whenever you are arranging the X series in ascending order, the F will go along with that. For example, if 140 is coming at somewhere else, at some place, then the 6 will also come, which is the right in front of the frequency of 140. So here if you will arrange them in ascending order, which will make it 135, which comes with the frequency 4, 140 which comes with the frequency 6, 144, 8, 155 and so on and so forth. Here for CF you have to take the first as it is and then start adding every other frequency like this, right? Like this and this. So here your total will be 73, which is an odd number. So the formula will be n plus 1 by 2. Here 73 plus 1 by 2 will be 74 by 2, and that will make it 37. Now 37 will fall under 46th of the CF. And here 46 ka X is 160. So your ME would be 160. Now looking at the third and the last series of median, which is continuous series, here we'll take only the two formulas, which is the easier one, which is n plus 1 by 2 and n by 2 in case of odd and in case of even. Now the bigger formula for this is L1 plus L2 minus L1 upon F and M minus C. Here this m, the smaller m will be find out by this formula. Okay. Here I have explained all these terms. L1 is the lower limit of the median class. L2 is the higher limit of the median class, which is in the x, right? Frequency of the median class. M is the number of median and C is the cumulative frequency of. Number of median means here the n plus 1 by 2 and n by 2 करके जो आप निकालोगे, that will be your m. C is the cumulative frequency of the group proceeding in the median group. Here you have given this, the CF, I'm sorry for the voice. Here the CF will be counting of the each. Another F. So here your total will be 224, which is an even number. So your formula will be n by 2. And here you will put in, that is 112. Now 112 will fall under this CF, right? Now here your L1 will be 20, your L2 will be 25, the upper digit, your F will be 44, just it right in front of, your M comes, your small m came as 112 after solving this particular thing, and your C will be just above the CF value, which is the 70. C will always be the CF ka value above the value that your M has fallen to. So now if you put everything in the formula, which will make it L1 is 20, 25 minus 20, 44 is the F, 102 was the small m, and 70 was the above value of the CF. Now 20 plus 25 minus 20 will be 5 upon 44, and you will multiply it with, so when you remove the bracket it will become multiply 102 minus 70 will 42. Here if you will multiply both these, 5 into 42, that will become 210, and 44 will be the same. Now if you will divide 210 with the 44, that will become 4.772, and here if you add it into 20, that your value will come as 24.772, that will be your median. So that is the continuous series. Here is another question with the same method. Here also the value of n has come as 116, which is an even number, so the formula will be n by 2. Here your small m has come as 58, and 58 will fall under 60 CF, right? It's bigger than 33 and lower than 60. Now L1 will be 60 के just सामने वाला x series का value, which is 80, upper is 90, F is 27, m is smaller m is 58, which you just solve, and C is the upper value of 60, or the category where our m has fallen. So now if you put everything in the formula, L1 is 80, it is 90 minus 80, it is 27, 58 minus 33. Now if you solve 58 minus 33, it will come 25. If you solve 90 minus 80, it will come 10 upon 27. Now if you multiply 10 into 25, which will be 250 upon 27. Now if you will divide both of these, then it will come 9.259. If you'll add this both the value, then it will come 89.259. Thank you so much, and I hope if you'll try attempting this question, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and we'll do the mode in the next series. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.